guys, guess where we are? We went on our first road trip!
And we got a little buddy right there!
Woo! Let's have some adventures! Good morning. We just woke up in our van for the very first time. And we're now going to show you what we're looking at this morning.
Morning, everybody. So I just woke up. I think it's about 8:15 in the morning, and I don't know if Adam has shown you where we are exactly, so let's go take a look around.
Hello. Hi.
Pretty cool. Good morning, everybody.
Hi.
So we haven't really introduced you to our campsite yet, or our little buddy, which is just half made out. We're kind of testing things out. We wanted to see, you know, what we would use a lot.
See how it worked. See how it felt to sleep in. See how the insulation is holding up. We still have a lot left to do, but you know, throw a couple blankets on it, bunch of pillows, and you can make a cozy little setup. So
I also think we just kind of needed a vacation. We had been working so hard for like the last, I mean, really like intensively hard for the last 4 weeks on building this.
yeah, blood, sweat, and tears went into this literally, and most of them mine. So I've just needed some time to kind of be quiet and look out at some mountains, and we've gotten that for sure.
Appreciate what you're building. You know, it's not just a van that's going to sit in a driveway. It's a van that's going to come out to places like this. So
yeah, and make it really awesome and easy and comfortable and happy. The whole experience has been just surreal. We're going to show you guys a little walkthrough of our van really quick. This will be the first tour. We'll eventually give you another tour once it's done. So this is tour beta.
Yes. All right, enjoy.
So first things first, we have the cockpit, which is right here, and it's Very similar to all other cockpits of Ram ProMasters. We haven't done much up here. We did get some generous donations from the previous owner. You can see we've got some really good quality window reflector stuff right here, and those all attach perfectly. And we also got some new seat covers so that when we sweat all over the seats, they're not going to be ruined forever.
The first thing you kind of see when you're in the back here after the cockpit is these curtains. We actually had them in our old house. They're just blackout curtains and they've worked really well just to keep the light out. It kind of keeps some of the noise out too when you're driving.
So this right here is our refrigerator, or soon to be. As of currently, it is a cooler because it's not plugged into anything, doing anything technology wise, but it's doing a really good job just with a couple of ice bags we've thrown in there. It's like 3 days in and they're all still ice cubes. It's actually going to work for us as our refrigerator for our life for the foreseeable future. So this area actually sections off. We have a little cover for the top for the freezer, and that will freeze. And then we have these two areas right here, which are down deep. You can get down in there. And that's where we're going to have our other refrigerator stuff. This area right here is our cozy corner. I use that area for editing and sitting and relaxing, reading books.
Not sleeping.
Not sleeping when I'm awake, out of bed. We'll get to the bed in a little bit. And we've also got a bunch of musical instruments here. That's a good place to sit and play them. Although the best place to sit and play musical instruments is, of course, right here off the door of the van. But let's take that up into the bed, which we just finished like 3 days ago. And it's supporting itself nicely here. We are probably going to put some extra supports, but it doesn't really need them, to be honest, because I'm such a good carpenter. And this is a queen size bed, no joke. I can stretch out all the way both directions, and it's awesome. I'm not sure really how much more there is to show you.
I think that's pretty much it, honestly. We've got some equipment like camping gear, chairs, tent, electronics, clothes. We actually brought a hammock that we didn't bring any rope for.
This is the garage.
Yep.
I guess we didn't explain that, but.
All right, so we're hiking from down there where the street is, and we're going up this steep road up to this peak, I guess. So let's go.
If you can hear us because it's pretty windy up here. Not sure if we'll be able to get any footage with good old Floyd, but that's a strap coming in front of the screen.
Sorry about that. We just wanted to show you the first view on this hike.
Different one. But let's see.
Trinidad sign.
We have this sign right here. It's kind of like the Hollywood sign, and it overlooks the whole town, which is right here. And that mountain up there is the Fisherman's Mesa, right?
Something like that.
I think that's what it's called. All right, so that's what this hike has been. We hope you guys enjoyed the view that we gave you. We're gonna go back down now so that we can get out of this crazy wind. And unfortunately, no drone footage, but that's all right.
See ya.
So we just got back to our campsite from, what's it called?
Simpson's Rest.
Simpson's Rest. We couldn't really talk too much about it up there because it was really windy and we felt like we were going to get blown off the side of the mountain. So we came back, ate some lunch, relaxed for a little bit. We've got some crazy weather turning from rain to sun to rain to sun to rain to sun. Gusts, dead wind, gusts, dead wind. Interesting weather, but it's all the more exciting. So Katie's gonna teach you guys a little bit about where we just were.
So Simpson's Rest is named after George S. Simpson, who was one of the first traders and explorers that came to this area. I think it was 1848 when he first arrived here. He wanted to be buried at the top of that peak, which is like the most epic view of all of Trinidad. And he was. So up there they have a grave marker and everything, and you saw the sign that says Trinidad in big lettering that you can see all the way from the highway, and it lights up at night. So it's kind of just like a really prominent spot for this area, and we just wanted to go out and check it out.
And it's an epic place for someone to rest.
But anyway, we are actually making some coffee, and then we're gonna do a hike around the lake.
But coffee first.
So the weather was supposed to be clearing up, but looks like there's a huge storm over there. You can't see it, but there's actually a mountain behind there. We might get rained down.
Still pretty epic though.
Yeah. Oh, there's it.
Oh wow, it's all the way to the right. That's what we're looking for.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. Right down over there to the right. See that? On the top too.
So it's definitely raining now, but we've got rainbows.
Can you see that one going all the way across the horizon and then another one above it?
Yeah.
You know what they say about double rainbows?
They're good luck.
I was just gonna let somebody fill that in with their imagination. And we are focused. All right guys, we just got back. It's getting pretty late and the sun's about to go down, but I think before the sun goes down, Floyd, which is what we've decided to name our drone, needs to get out and spread his wings a little bit. And I just wanted to throw that out there. If anybody catches the reference there for Floyd, I want you to post it in the comments, and I'm gonna give you a hint. It's from an old video game. All right, so let's fly. Hey guys, we just wanted to close it out for tonight. We're making some omelets for dinner. I don't know if you can see that. It's pretty dark. But
yeah, we got kind of rained out of our hike, and then it was raining pretty much the rest of the evening. So we just threw together a quick dinner, and we're gonna just hang out in our van. It got pretty cold tonight.
Yeah, speaking of cold, actually this has been a really good test for the insulation, because the first night we were here it was below freezing, and we think it's getting down to that temperature right now. Kind of nippy right now. Actually, note for next time, bring jackets.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
I brought shorts, I wasn't thinking.
Yeah.
But anyway, we just wanted to say goodnight to you guys. We'll see you maybe a little bit in the morning, but this is pretty much going to wrap up our trip to Colorado. So thanks for watching.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming along with us if you were having fun. And,
if you liked this kind of video, give it a thumbs up, and maybe we'll make some more of our travels. It's a little different for us. Normally we do our van build and that's it, but
well, it's not like we're planning on stopping after the build is over. So
True.
This is a test run. So thanks for watching guys. We love you. See you later.
Rock.